redeeming your Emirates Nbd credit card points is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can redeem Emirates Nbd credit card points. So the process is pretty simple. You just need to follow these instructions. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to open up your app, and then in the app you have to tap at the bottom of the app which should say apply for new services. And then you have to choose credit slash debit slash prepaid card, and in that option you have to select rewards redemption, or you can search for rewards and select it. Now, you have to pick your card, whichever the card that you want to, redeem the code or redeem the points for, and then you just have to tap on new redemption. And then you have to select red points. After selecting on red points, you just have to enter the points you want to redeem. Suppose you want to redeem 100, 200, totally depends upon you, or you can redeem all the points at once as well. So after that, you simply have to tap on next, and after that, you simply have to enter your pin to finish, and that's how you'll be able to redeem your uh, Emirates and BD points. Hope you guys find this video helpful.